Jermaine, I am so excited to announce the premiere of Chalkboard Chat Season 3.
Tara, you and I both. Who would have thought we'd have 33 episodes by Season 3?
That's a lot of threes.
I know, right? We've got so much in store for Season 3 that we wanted to give you a preview of some of the topics we'll cover. Ready, Tara?
Ready. First up, November the 5th, we'll talk about veterans in the workplace.
And this December, tune in for our Mississippi Museum Field Trip Series.
In January, we'll celebrate National Mentoring Appreciation Month.
And for the month of March, we'll host a Music Education Appreciation Series.
I'm so excited. And that's not even all the topics we're going to explore. So make sure you tune in to the premiere of Chalkboard Chat on November the 5th.
And then for more information on Chalkboard Chat and MPB Education podcast, visit chalkboardchat.mpbonline.org.